CISR sir, Anjuna is good demolition.
See, regarding Anjuna matter, number one, the matter is sub judice. Okay? The court has directed that the authorities seal the commercial premises. So first thing I think I may have the right to clarify that they have not touched the residential areas. It is primarily only for the commercial areas. The Chief Minister has had a meeting yesterday. I think the Chief Minister has also spoken to all of you all. So all I will say is that the government has taken a decision that they should appeal before the Supreme Court. So the Advocate General has been directed to immediately take up the matter, get an appeal filed before the Supreme Court. So we look forward to getting a positive order from the end of the day. The endeavor of the government, the wish of the government is to provide relief to the people who are affected. That is our ambition, and we look forward to getting a positive order from the Supreme Court.
So you will also visited Delhi for this issue.
We didn't go to Delhi because of the Anjuna matter. We went to Delhi regarding various issues. The Chief Minister has spoken to all of you, so I'm not going to add anything on that. See, we are talking of Anjuna, and I think we are talking of the case where the High Court is asked to seal 175 structures. I don't think any of those 175 structures have been ordered for demolition, because the High Court, Honorable High Court, has just said seal. So there is a difference between sealing and demolition. So I don't know what you are referring to.
Sir, we are saying that CRZ issue come again and again, and that state should have to make one decision to make a relief those people.
No, see, if we could, we would do it with pleasure. Because at the end of the day, it is all our own brethren who are afflicted by the order. But let us not forget that the CRZ rules and regulations come under the Environment Protection Act. That act is an act of the Government of India. So we have no powers whatsoever to amend or to interfere with that act. We can place our views across to them, but beyond that we have no powers.
CM also said that it is because of secretary mistake that the High Court has given.
I don't know the intricacies. I don't know the intricacies. I only know that the GCZMA is not a party to the case. So, okay.